Hello Barefooters, we are at the English Mountain Trout Farm. This is where they grow all the trout that they release into the mountain streams for the fly fishermen. This is like so cool. Well, it looks like the guys are getting ready to do something here. Anyway, they have a restaurant. They have the most amazing menu. It's a little bit of a drive. It's on 441. So in Sevierville, you would be on the Dolly Parton Parkway and just keep going straight like you're going to Dandridge. And this place is unbelievable. These fish just jump out of the water. We have been inside and we've placed our order, and we're getting our trout blackened. They also have catfish. Your meal is served with hush puppies and 2 other sides, and they've got fried green tomatoes and just a lot of things on their menu. True Southern cooking. You can eat outside. We are going to eat at the picnic table here. They also have inside seating, but I believe everyone needs to make a trip to the English Mountain Trout Farm and enjoy this place.